Hello guys, my name is Gavin, and this will be a tutorial on how to display your text vertically. So like if we were in the top view, we'd be seeing it like this. I will be using some Python, and I'm just going to get started. To start off, what we're going to do is double click the A button to select everything, and then hit X and delete. Hit 7 to go in the top view, and do spacebar, and then add a text object, like that. Let's go from defaults to game logic, and go from Blender render to Blender game. Okay, so what we're going to do now is do an add sensor and always, and click these first three dots. Add a controller in Python right here, and connect these. Alright, what we're going to do now is do templates, Python, and then game logic simple. Get a script. Drag this out, and delete the portion that I've highlighted. To start off, I'm just going to rename this as script.py, and add that right here. Like that. And what we're going to do is inside of our script, I'm just going to make a variable, and it's going to be string word is going to be equal to, and I'll just put the letter, let's say D, like this, then plus, and then put that, and that's just going to pretty much say it's going to go into a new line, then plus, and then inside quotation C. So what this is saying is it's the letter D, it's going to go to the next line or the new line and do C. So if we were to do own.text is going to be equal to string word, you can see that right now, if I hit P, it's going to display like that. So D and C. If we wanted to do that again, we could do it as well. So I'm going to put plus and D again. So we should see it's DCD or something like that. You can also put a word like, let's say dog, that, and you can see it'll just display it like that. Alright guys, so that's how you display your text vertically. I hope you found this useful.